I tell you, Congressman Paul got me really intrigued with the whole, the Federal Reserve. But Congressman Paul is the individual on the stage that got me most interested in a subject that I found to be quite interesting and at the root of a lot of the problems that we have, and I thank you for that.
One of the things about Ron Paul that always amazes me is when I come to a debate like this, the only signs I see are the Ron Paul people out there in freezing and freezing temperatures are always there. He ignites an enthusiasm with a number of people that's very exciting to watch.
I have learned that you should never give up on your opposition, because if you're persistent and you present your case, they will come your way. So, Rick, I appreciate it. Michelle, I appreciate it. We're open to the Federal Reserve.